Hey, sixth grade. So today our slide is about weather patterns, and there are a lot of patterns that scientists see in order to help them predict the weather that we might see on the news. And so today we're going to talk about a few of those. So I went to my search engine and I just typed in weather patterns, and I found a great website from the National Oceanic and um, Atmospheric Administration. And what I really like about this website is that they have the type of pattern and then they define it. And so we have a couple of patterns here, and what I'm looking for are 3 to 4 different patterns that meteorologists might use to predict the weather. And so I'm going to go with global winds is one of the patterns that I want to put onto my slideshow. And copy that on there. And I'm going to add some sort of title so that I can put my parentheses up at the top instead of after every single bullet point. And so I'll say something like types of patterns. All right, and this is my 5th website, so I need to put a 5 right here. Now I'll use some bullet points. And remember, I said 3 to 4 types of patterns. So the first one was global winds, and I'm going to quickly write what that means. This uneven heating of the earth produces global circulation patterns. Okay, and so that's where the global winds come from. So I'll copy and paste that in. And I'll make sure to use quotation marks because these are my words. And then moving down to my next bullet point, let me pick another one. Ooh, I want to do fronts. Copy and paste that. I'll add some quotation marks and write the definition. The location where 2 air masses meet is called a front. Copy and paste that on there. And I'll add my quotation marks. And for my 3rd bullet point, I'll talk about jet streams. And what are jet streams? Let's find out. Put my quotes there. Let's see. High up in the atmosphere, narrow bands of strong winds such as jet streams steer weather systems and transfer heat and moisture around the globe. So this is what I want right here. That tells me the definition. I'll paste that in, add my quotation marks, and then for my final one, remember, you can do 3 if you want to, but if you want to do a 4th one, that's fine. The Coriolis Effect. This is a big deal on our planet. And I'll add my quotation marks. Let's get a definition for this. As they travel across the Earth, the air masses and global winds do not move in straight lines. Let's see, This motion can result in large circulating weather systems. Oh no, here we go. In the northern hemisphere, air veers to the right, and the southern hemisphere, air veers to the left. You can paste that in there. Add my quotation marks and make sure that I cite my website on my works cited slide. Okay. And this is